Welcome to this video. Today we're introducing MiniMax Hailuoai, a new and completely free AI video generator. Whether you're a content creator or just curious about AI tools, Hailuo AI allows you to easily create videos based on your text prompts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started and create your first AI-generated video in just a few clicks. Hailuo makes the video generation process incredibly simple. All you need to do is enter a prompt describing the kind of video you want and then hit the Generate button. In just moments, Hailuo works its magic to create a video for you. I've included a link in the description below, so feel free to check it out and follow along. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description to visit the MiniMax website. Currently, the interface is only available in Chinese, but don't worry, even if you don't know the language, the process is still super easy to follow. Once you're on the site, you'll see a prompt box. Here, simply type in the description of the video you want to generate. After that, click the Generate button, and Hailuo AI will take care of the rest. Now, let's watch the final result. Hailuo AI produces high-quality videos that closely match the text prompt you provided. Plus, the output comes in a resolution of 1280 by 720, ensuring a sharp and clear result that's perfect for sharing. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can create your own AI-generated video using Hailuo AI. It's fast, easy, and delivers great quality results. Be sure to try it out by clicking the link in the description, and let me know in the comments how your video turned out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.